So, ready na mo? Silence means yes. Guys, good morning. We are here at Anda, Bohol, and we're gonna have a ball trip this day, and we're gonna visit man-made forest, the Sagbayan Peak, the Chocolate Hills, and everything that's tourist destination here in Bohol. So, I'm very excited to see that. So, yeah.
Darling, I know you. Darling,
Yes, mga mong fan. Huwag kami.
darling, send me. I know you. Send me. Darling, send me.
Pwede makasod dito.
Pwede ba kasod? Di boleh bayad.
Hi guys, we are here at Pilar Dam. Yes, we are going to the stairs. We're gonna see the overview of Pilar. And so as you can see the lake here at my back and the dam here. And walay water kay una sky, walay normal ang current sa tubig. Oh, look at that view. Hi guys, so we are going to Sagbayan Peak now, and hi Nay. And yes, we are here at Sagbayan Peak. Yeah, we are going to Sagbayan. Hey man. So we are here. There's a lot of birds here. I just have to find mine. I found mine. Year of the Rabbit. 1999. Who's that pretty kid sexy over there? Woo!
That's me.
Bikini body. Chocolate Hills. What's the chocolate? Welcome to the kids town. We're about to try the zip line, and I'm so excited. So ginakuha pa na ako ang ako para zip line. We're gonna try it later.
Go!
Woo! Tarsier, Philippines, and we are about to see this amazing animal, this amazing creature found in Bohol, the tarsier. So yeah, let's go inside. So we are here at Tarsier breeding area, and yes, I got my ticket already. We just saw the tarsier, but di na ko mapakita sa inyo ha, kay bawal daw magamit og monopod. How sad. But let's break the rules. Wait lang.
Hindi mo pinagtiyan, bitaw ka naman kita pa ano.
Timing is real. Look at that tarsier. Look at that. The fuck?
Diyan.
Comment if you're thinking what I'm thinking. My best friends na rin to.
A few moments later.
Yay! Hangul Bridge!
So we are here at Sevilla. This is the Twin Hanging Bridge. It's bouncy. It's quite dangerous, but I'm not scared at all because it's my second time already. Because kay grabe ko with the beach.